The 2008 Mazda 3. A 2010 Car and Driver's 10 Best Award winner, the Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless entry, center armrest, fog lights. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.